Welcome to a lock that I found on the street just an hour ago. So I was driving with my bike and I saw this padlock, this poor little guy laying on the street. Some cars might have run over this lock already. You can see the shackle is at an angle. You cannot close it. It's a pretty wide open keyway and the brand is OME. Never had one of these locks before. So first I want to try to straighten out this shackle. Maybe I can do this just with a hand and a pair of pliers. That's better. Not bad, but it does not close. What's wrong? So it looks like that it's pretty good above the hole. I would say a little bit in this direction. No, doesn't want to close. Okay, let's try some force. So now we have a... Oh, is this really closed? No, doesn't look like. Let's see if we can open it again. Ah, yes. So now this is closed, looks like. I think I cannot open it again because now the locking pole holds it closed. No, it doesn't look like this. So now we have a lock that we need to pick. Hopefully this does not take too long. So I think I will use a 0.8mm pry bar from Peterson and a gozo hook. Oh, let's see if the core is already if the core does turn at all. It is floppy, so it's not frozen or so. Okay, let's see. Oh, I can feel the pins. Okay, and here we go, it's open. So now the challenge is to keep it open while pulling on this shackle. That's a pretty secure lock if you have to do so many steps to get it open. It's really challenging. But here we go, lock is open again. So much fun you can have when you find a poor little lock laying on the street. An OME lock with a globe on front and on the back. Alright, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye. Quick addendum. Yeah, I actually don't want to make too much fun out of this lock, but I had it just in the wise to straighten the shackle a little bit more so that it can be closed and that it is springy again. But look at that. If this is a hardened shackle, you would never see these marks from the vise on it. So this is of course not hardened at all. It's soft steel. Yeah, and picking, I would say this is effectively a one pinner. So all the pins are free. And with light tension, you only have to find the right pin and it's open. Alright, so poor little lock. I think this will go to the scrapyard. Alright, cheers!